Have you ever tried making banana bread several times, only to end up messing up the recipe? Well, not anymore. Today, I am going to show you the easiest and the most reliable way to get that perfect banana bread. Soft, moist, and full of flavor every single time. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So let's get started. Here are the ingredients we'll be using for this delicious banana bread recipe. 3 ripe bananas. Make sure your bananas are very ripe. The riper they are, the sweeter and more flavorful your banana bread will be. The peels should have lots of brown spots. That's when they are just perfect for baking. Two sizable eggs. Butter. This will be melted and we are using just half cup of melted butter. All-purpose flour. We'll be using just 2 cups. Brown sugar. We will be using 2 1/8 cups. 1/3 cup white sugar. Half teaspoon of salt. Half teaspoon of nutmeg. Chocolate toppings. 1/3 cup milk. One teaspoon of vanilla extract. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And finally, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. Peel your bananas and place them in a bowl. Using a fork or a mashing tool, mash them really well. If you prefer seeing chunks of bananas inside after baking, you can leave them a little lumpy, but personally, I like to mash them until they are completely smooth. That gives your bread the best texture. Once done, set the mashed bananas aside. Next, in another bowl, combine 2 cups of flour, and 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. Sift them together to remove any lumps. Then set them aside too. Now, in a clean bowl, crack in 2 eggs. Add your white sugar and your brown sugar. I prefer to use the 2. Add in your half cup of melted butter. Whisk everything together until it's smooth and creamy. Using the combination of brown and white sugar gives your banana bread a beautiful color and a rich caramel-like flavor. But if white sugar is what you prefer, it's also fine. Once properly whisked, add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that sweet aroma. Followed by a half teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Whisk again until everything is nicely combined. Now pour in your mashed bananas. And whisk generously for a few more minutes. You will start to smell that amazing banana scent already. Next, it's time to introduce your sifted flour and baking powder mixture. Add half teaspoon of nutmeg for that warm, cozy flavor, and gently fold everything together using a spatula. Make sure all the ingredients are combined evenly. Don't overmix. We want that soft, tender crumb. Once your batter looks smooth, pour 1/3 cup of milk and mix until it's fully incorporated. Finally, add your chocolate chips and give it one last gentle stir. Now, line your loaf pan with baking paper. This step is very important. Lining the pan ensures your loaf comes out perfectly clean and intact. Pour your batter evenly into the pan. Before this point, your oven should already be preheated. Then gently tap or shake it to remove any air bubbles and to distribute the batter evenly. Bake at 180 degrees for about 40 to 45 minutes or until the top is golden brown and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once it's done, remove it from the oven and wow, just look at that perfectly baked banana bread. Golden brown, fluffy and absolutely irresistible. Let it cool down completely before removing the baking paper, and then you will see the magic we created together. Soft, moist, perfectly sweet, and full of banana flavor. This banana bread is a total winner. If you follow these exact steps and measurements, you will get perfect results every single time. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with your friends who love baking. And with that being said, I will see you all in my next video. Have a wonderful week and happy baking. Bye bye!